Hello, I am Geeta Babu Singh, welcoming you all again to this session. In previous session, we discussed on physical layer and data link layer. In today's session, we discuss on network layer and transport layers. The network layers, we have the data from transport layer is transfer passes to network layer, then to data link layer. So our data is delivered in packets. So similarly, from data link layer, our packets transfer to network layer, then to transport layer. That is, the network layer is responsible for the delivery of individual packets from source host to the destination host. Let's see source to destination deliver. So in this slide, we have data at the end system, that is A, which is nothing but a source A. The data from network layer passes to data link layer, then to physical layer. Again, from physical layer, it passes to intermediate system B. Similarly, from B, it passes to E. Then finally, it goes to our destination, that is F. From F, it goes to the system and that is nothing but our destination. Similarly, let us see the transport layer. So the transport layer, the data from session layer is passes to transport layer, that is the data or message, and then from transport layer to network layer. Likewise, from the network layer, the data or message passes to transport layer. From that, it passes to session layer. That is, the transport layer is responsible for the delivery of message from one process to another process. Next, see the reliable process to process deliver of a message. So in this slide, we have the process, the data or message from the process. It goes to an internet. From that, from the internet, it again connect to another processor. So next, again from the processor, the data is passes on network layer, that is nothing but node to node delivery. And again from the process, it again goes to it passes on the transport layer, that is nothing but source to that is nothing but process to process deliver. So the next one is our session layer, in which the data from the presentation layer uh, is passes to session layer. Then from session layer, it passes on transport layer. Similarly, from transport layer, it passes on session layer. Then from session layer, it passes on the presentation layer. That is, the session layer is responsible for dialogue control and synchronization. Next is the presentation layer. The data from the application layer is passes to presentation layer. From presentation layer, it pass on to session layer. So, similarly, from session layer, it pass on presentation layer. Then it goes it pass on the to application layer. So that is the presentation layer is responsible for translation, compressions and encryption. Next is application layer. The application layer, which has a human or a program, the data from the human or program goes to application layer, then it passes to presentation layer. Similarly, from presentation layer it goes to application layer, then it goes to users, that is human or program. That is, the application layer is responsible for providing service to the users. The summary of layers is like that. The physical layer is it transmits bits over a medium to provide mechanical and electrical specification. The data link layer is used to organize bits into frames to provide node-to-node delivery. Network layer to move packets from source to destination to provide internet working. Next one is the transport layer, provide reliable process to process message delivered and error recovery. From that, the session layer is establish, manage and terminate sessions. Sixth one is the presentation layer, to translate, encrypt and compress data. And the last one, application layer, to allow access to network resources. Thank you.